Rivers are the lifeblood of India. They are more than just flowing water. They are our history, our culture, and our survival. For centuries, civilizations have flourished on their banks, drawing sustenance and spiritual solace from their sacred currents. The mighty Ganga, the serene Kaveri. These waterways have nurtured our fields and quenched our thirst and carried our prayers. They weave through our landscapes and lives, shaping our identity and securing our future. But this vital lifeline is under unprecedented threat. The very waters that give us life are being choked by pollution, a human crisis we can no longer ignore. To win this war, we must first understand our enemy. River pollution in India is complex, with many sources, each contaminating our waterways. One of the biggest culprits is untreated sewage. A staggering volume flows into our rivers every day, turning stretches into open sewers. It depletes oxygen, creating dead zones where life cannot survive, the most visible reminder of failing infrastructure. Industrial effluents discharge toxic cocktails, heavy metals and hazardous waste, mercury, lead, arsenic, silent killers that bioaccumulate. They settle in riverbeds and fish, enter crops via irrigation, and threaten human health. Agricultural runoff, fertilizers and pesticides washes into streams, causing algal blooms that suffocate rivers. Oxygen drops, fish die, and the water becomes unfit for use. Solid waste, especially plastic, turns rivers into dumping grounds. Floating debris breaks into microplastics and reaches our plates. Bags, bottles, and packaging clog channels, exacerbate flooding, and kill wildlife. Each pollution type demands a specific strategy, and all must work together. Faced with this challenge, India is turning to innovation. A new wave of homegrown technology offers hope and tangible solutions. Floating trash barriers, trash booms, intercept debris efficiently. Bottles, bags, captured and removed for recycling before reaching the ocean. Manned conveyor boats and autonomous solar skimmers work tirelessly over long stretches. The Jal Doot exemplifies indigenous river cleaning robotics. Advanced oxidation and specialized nanomaterials remove pathogens, heavy metals, and persistent organics. Decentralized solar filtration provides safe drinking water and reduces dependence on contaminated sources. Smart sensor networks track pH, dissolved oxygen, and pollutants in real time. Authorities detect events as they happen and trace their source. This data-driven approach shifts river management from reactive to proactive science, with results you can see. These technologies are making real, on-the-ground impact. The Coombe, once biologically dead and little more than a sewer, is showing signs of revival. Targeted barriers, skimmer fleets, and a crackdown on illicit outfalls have begun restoring flow and health. Residents are seeing a river they'd given up on breathe again. In Ahmedabad, interceptor sewers divert sewage to new plants, enabling a clean, vibrant riverfront at the city's heart. In Varanasi, a floating solar lotus purifies river water, a practical solution and a powerful symbol. New aeration tech boosts oxygen, reviving aquatic life and speeding natural breakdown of waste. In Kerala, locally designed trash barriers stop plastic before it reaches Vembanad, driven by communities with government support. From big city projects to small community efforts, a nation is healing its rivers. With technology and determination, reversing decades of neglect is absolutely possible. Technology alone can't win this war. The magic happens when innovation meets collaboration. India's most successful initiatives unite government agencies, private inventors, and local communities. Government sets policy, enforces rules, and funds infrastructure, like the National Mission for Clean Ganga. Startups and engineering firms deliver robotics and advanced sensors with agility and expertise. Public-private partnerships bring the best, most cost-effective solutions to the field. People are the critical partners. Cleanups, monitoring, and stewardship create ownership and lasting change. Programs empower citizens to be eyes and ears, long after officials leave. Hope lies in convergence, policy, technology, and public action. By weaving every strength together, we rebuild our bond with nature.